In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make captions appear automatically on your video from the very beginning. If you want your text to be visible as soon as the video starts, this setting is a simple and effective way to do it. It's especially helpful if you're creating content for accessibility, making your message easier to follow, or just improving the viewing experience for people who watch without sound. The good news is that this only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening your video in the editor. Make sure you're on the correct project before changing anything, so the caption settings apply to the video you actually want to update. Once the video is open, look for the Customize section. This is where you'll find settings related to the way your video is presented, including how captions behave when the video begins. After you've opened Customize, go to Captions. In this area, you'll see the available caption options for the video. What you're looking for is the setting called Show Captions Automatically. This controls whether the caption text appears on screen by default when someone starts watching. Turn Show Captions Automatically on. Once this is enabled, your video will begin with the text already visible, rather than requiring the viewer to turn captions on manually. That can make your content feel more immediate and easier to understand right away, particularly for tutorials, social content, and any video where spoken information is important. Before finishing, take a quick second to confirm that the setting is actually switched on. It's a small detail, but checking now can save you from having to come back and fix it later. If your editor shows a preview, this is also a good time to glance at the opening of the video and make sure the captions appear the way you expect. Finally, save your changes. Once you do that, the video will start with text visible automatically. That's it. A very quick adjustment that can make your video more accessible, more user-friendly, and easier to engage with from the first second. And that's all you need to do to have captions show automatically at the start of your video.